Hindi napigilan ni Hart Evangelista ang maging emosyonal sa usapan nila ng mister na si Senator Cheese Escudero tungkol sa pananaw ng aktres sa broken friendships. Sa heart-to-heart talk ng mag-asawa sa latest vlog ni Hart, ipinahiwatig ng kapuso actress na may pinagdadaanan siyang bigat sa dibdib dahil sa betrayal ng mga taong malapit sa kanya. Walang pinangalanang mga personalidad si Hart, pero malaman ang mga binitawan niyang salita, kaugnay ng mga karanasan daw niya sa pakikipagkaibigan. Ayon kay Hart, mas masakit pa sa kanya ang broken friendship, kaysa breakup ng isang romantic relationship. Parang mas nasasaktan ako sa friendship, bungad ni Hart. Kahit sa past ko, I'm always very clingy to my friends because I don't have a lot of friends. I've always been an outsider in school. I've always been like, misunderstood, I guess. So whenever I had just likey people, I literally would tell them that I couldn't live without them. Napagtanto raw ni Hart na kung may mas dapat siyang kapitan, ito ay walang iba kundi ang mister niyang si Cheese. Pag-amin ng aktres, and although that was where I went wrong, I feel, because I should have went to you instead of them. Masakit daw kay Hart pag nasisira ang pagkakaibigan dahil sobra siyang magbigay ng kanyang tiwala. Pati personal na pinagdaraanan nila ni Cheese ay hindi raw niya naitatago sa isang kaibigan. Lahad ni Hart, but going back to the question, yes, for me it's painful because I never treat my friends like friends. I treat them like family. So it's painful for me. Because when I rant about my husband, I can't rant to my husband about him, right? I rant to my friends about my husband or whatever. Sa hirit ni Hart, ipinahihiwatig na apektado ang influencer ng kung anumang pinagdaraanan niya sa mga kaibigan. Ibinahagi rin ni Hart ang pananaw niya sa kasabihang, difficult times reveal true friends. Paliwanag niya, I used to think when you're down, people who are with you are the ones who truly love you. It's actually the opposite. When you're up and when you're doing very well, it's lonely to be where you are. Because you're busy, you're lonely, so you always want to be with people. Sa puntong ito, ipinaliwanag ni Cheese, na totoong may mga pagkakataong nakakaramdam ng loneliness, ang isang tao pagtungtong sa stage o spotlight. Payo naman ni Cheese kay Hart, so, circumstances should not dictate how you feel. You should always have joy and peace, regardless of the circumstances.